Hi everybody, it's Larry again from MarineMax here in Jacksonville. And today I'm going to take you through this brand new 2024 Grady-White 281 Coastal Explorer. It's a brand new model, it's extremely well thought out, and we're going to go through all the features on this boat and you're going to see what makes Grady an exceptional value. First, we're going to start at the very back with the power plant. These are twin 300 Yamaha full maneuverability engines, which means it's got the joystick control that incorporates a built-in autopilot, electric steering, digital shift. It is the most nimble boat you will ever drive. We'll go through more of that when we hit the helm area. What I want to show you right now is this really cool seating arrangement for when you're hanging out at the sandbar. You'll notice that the backrests are turned in so that two people can essentially lounge facing each other. And when you jump off the back of the boat, you'll notice there's no motor well. We just have a flush platform all the way across the back. Now I'm going to show you how we reconfigure the seat to face forward. We're just going to move these backrests. I'm going to add the centerpiece. And now we've got full seating all the way across the transom of the boat. How simple is that? And it's really cool, really comfortable. You can see the quality and thickness in the cushions, makes for a very comfortable position back here. Some of the features at the back end of the boat, we've got a livewell built in right here. And with all your Grady's, you're going to know that the live wells are insulated so they can double as a cooler in the event you need some extra space. You'll also notice the full stainless steel gas shocks that you'll find on all Grady hatches. There's no plastic here, it's all high quality materials. One of the other features that you'll see is this awesome swim patio right here. This is about as cool as it gets when you're at the sandbar. It lowers electronically and raises electronically, which makes it really user-friendly, very simple. It's extremely sturdy, and it's got a built-in dive ladder which stores right here, nice and convenient and out of the way. You can see how extremely sturdy this is. It's a really well-made boat. Let's take a look here at the leaning posts. We're going to have a freshwater shower, pull-out washdown here. On this side, there's a raw water spigot for a raw water hose. We've got tackle drawers and tackle storage complete with the Plano boxes. A rigging station with cutting board on the lid. And here we have a second live well as well, which is also fully insulated. It's round, it's got full water column distribution, great for pogies up here in Northeast Florida, keep your baits frisky. You've got a second live well as well. Excellent live bait fishing boat. As we move up to the helm, you're going to notice it's very ergonomically designed with our throttles here, steering wheel which has tilt on it. We've got the joystick, that's the full maneuverability for the Yamahas, the built-in autopilot controls, and we do have stay point, fish point, and drift point. The boat will hold itself in place using the engines. You can do a controlled drift. You can do a drift with the bow angled the way you want. It's an exceptional package, very high tech. Plenty of space up here for two 12-inch screens and a VHF radio. Of course, we've got a stereo that's standard. And then we've got charging ports here, USB and USB-C ports, as well as a 12-volt. So you've got plenty of places to charge your phone. Very comfortable step for when you're seated up here. You've got armrests on both helm chairs that are very comfortable, easily get out of the way. And of course, with a Grady, your chairs are adjustable forward and back, making it extremely comfortable. Additional storage in the leaning post. This boat is just loaded with features. We're going to go up to the bow area now, but before we get up there, we're going to check out the head compartment. This boat features a full marine head with holding tank, dockside pump out, as well as overboard discharge. It's a well-lit interior. It also has plenty of storage, easy electronics access with the panels in the back, and a large door for entry. Big features on a 28-foot boat. Now as we go up to the bow area, we're going to show you some really cool seating arrangements and storage as well. So this is a big sun lounger, coffin box, plenty of room for 2 adults, and we still have forward seating as well as center cushions and tables, which we're going to get into how to convert this from a full sun pad to a fishing machine. One of the cool things you'll notice is the adjustable backrest for the forward seating. You can stop them wherever's comfortable for you. They go up and down electronically. Really cool feature on this boat. The storage, this coffin box is enormous. Plenty of dry storage. You can use it as a cooler, fish box, whatever you need. And then we have, these cushions are all removable at the bow. So you can turn this into one giant casting platform, which is great when you're chasing cobia down the beach and you want to cast at some rays, or if you're working the intercoastal, cast it along the shoreline. You've got lots of space up here for a couple of people to fish, as well as the rear platforms. This centerpiece here is a table, which can come up, or you can remove it entirely and have walking space all the way up to the bow. And at the bow, you're going to find a windlass through the hull, so it's nice and clean. Around the bow, you're going to see your flip-up navigation light, pop up and down cleats for a really nice, clean surface. This boat is pre-wired for a trolling motor with a swivel mount, so the trolling motor can swivel out to when you're ready to fish, swivel back in for when you're ready to run. Really neat boat. It's got separate battery chargers for both the boat and the trolling motor batteries. Just plug it in and you'll be ready to go. Back to being a full sun lounger up here, an extremely versatile boat. One of my favorite models from Grady-White. If you'd like to take a test drive on it, come out and see me. You can reach me at 904-545-5310. Thank you.